Hello guys, I'm in a very good mood today. I honestly don't know why, but yeah, I'm in a good mood and I have tea. It's peppermint tea, so like that's just boosting my happiness. But I have more mail today. This one is a package from Aliexpress, and this one I think may be a pen pal letter. I don't actually know who it's from. They just included our address. And so I'll start with the Aliexpress package since it's not gonna take as long. And then when I open the letter or whatever that is, I'll see who it's from. Oh, okay. So this is the last of the things I got from Aliexpress. It is food washi, and I'm actually kind of sad because this part got damaged, and I like to use like the little sticker things in my journals and such, but since it's already damaged, I'll just rip it off and I'll actually swap the washi, since if you saw my last video, I did not do that with this stamp on because that sticker was still intact. I can't open this. Also, I really don't feel like editing. I just want to post, like just film and post. So I don't feel like editing. I don't think I will edit. I'm sorry. So if I ever actually remember to do this, I'll go back through the videos and link the stores. And yeah. So here's this. It's on a white background and it's actually pretty translucent. There's also like little gray stripes on it, but it's really just different food. And I like it, so we're chilling. It's fine. There's no actual damage to the washi, so no need to open a dispute or anything. Just the lovely sticker, but I'm fine. Also, I don't think it was like cut straight, but I don't care. Anyway, on to this. It's very beautifully packaged, and I'm 90% sure it's from a new pen pal. And I'm actually kind of upset because if it is from her, I have to yell at her. But she put tracking on it, and that's more expensive. But anyway, beautifully decorated. I feel bad because I never actually put tracking on any of my envelopes or anything that I sent to my pen pals. Anything I sent to anyone, really. I never actually track it. But it's fine. Also, today's playlist is just a random lo-fi playlist that I found. It's like one of the ones with the live feed on it. Oh shit, she sent so much. Okay, wait. Okay. Open first. I'm going to read this really fast and then I'll be back. Okay, so I just read the letter and my hunch was right. It is from a new pen pal. So the letter was like short but sweet, and I'm actually really excited to be her pen pal. So questions, playlist. I've actually never listened to any of these artists. I'm so excited. I'll be sure to add them to my pen pal playlist after I film this and upload it and such. So she gave me so much stuff, guys. To all my pen pals, please stop. My pen pals spoil me, guys. Okay. I have so much love in my heart for this right now. Like, I'm so happy, but like, these are stickers. These are stickers. It's a standee. Guys, she's trying to kill me. Oh God. I love. Oh gosh, okay. Gosh, his eyes. Him in blue eyes. So much love in my heart. Goodness. I'm paint swatches. I love paint swatches. Oh, wait. How did she know? I use these in my journal all the time. Jeez, these colors are so pretty. Bro, what? Okay. And then this little tag. More paint swatches. But it's in like tag form. Bro, what am I gonna give her? Everything's so good. In comparison to this, my letter's gonna look so bad. I have nothing in pour. Hey, baby. I haven't even finished going through all this stuff, and it's just, I already can't. Jeez, I'm gonna scream. Okay. Let me put this back in order. Jeez, she saved that for last, because she knew she would kill me. Geez, so there's that. Got 2 more things to go through. Okay. So this looks like stickers. Oh wait, this is so nice. Can you see that? This is so nice. I love this. I love like little clear stickers. They make me happy. Plants make me happy, in all honesty. And oh shoot, I dropped some. She gave, what the fuck? Bro, she gave me so much. Anyway, look at him. Look at her. Look at them. I'm so happy. I'm so content. Guys, she's trying to kill me. It's funny. I love this. Bro, I'm gonna hang these in my wall. Like, not in my wall, on my wall. Right above my bed. It's a shrine. Is this? Oh my god, I got scared. Can people not, like, send me things like this? I actually get scared that they're official. Even though it's never been an issue. Anyway, I love this is so cute. I love this. I actually have like a circle of Polaroids on like right above my bed. I'll probably put this there. And then washi. Okay, so this is a washi she used on the envelope, and it's so pretty. It's actually, I like thicker washi too. And then I don't have any like striped washi. This reminds me of a Sephora bag. But I don't have any like striped washi, so this is really nice. Okay. Let me put these back. I'm gonna scream, guys. I don't know if I'll be able to get write her back today since I have so much homework. But I'll do my best. I got a crap ton of new washi, so I'll spoil her with that. If you don't know what I'm talking about, watch my previous videos. Okay. Last thing. Wait. I haven't even opened this yet, and I'm pissed. Wait. Okay. Bro, she gave me, oh. Okay, group from, I believe here. Yeah. June, Jenny, Hopi, Jimin, Taehyung, Jungkookie, and Yingles. I'm livid. I don't even know what, like, I don't have like great stuff for her. I feel so bad. She's done too much. I'm prepared to fight. Penpals Stop Being So Kind challenge failed. Okay, dead meme. But like, these are so pretty. Like, they have the little flower thing going through it. Let's see if I could put it in order. This one doesn't have it. But like, they have like the little flower thing for a tear going through some of them. This one doesn't. Okay, so these 4 do. These 3 don't. And then, well, 4, the group 1. But anyway, I'm going to try and write and film me setting up her letter. I'm going to yell at her after I film, and I'll do homework. So yeah, I got my letter and new washi. So, thanks for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please check out my other ones. If you're new, like and subscribe. Don't forget to smash the like button. Anyway, have a good day. Have a good night. Please drink some water. Don't forget to smile. Bye bye.